Understanding. Lost his/her stride. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, lost his/her stride. This expression is commonly used in both casual and formal English, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the language. Stay with us as we explore its meaning, usage, and origin. To lose one's stride refers to a situation where someone has lost their rhythm or pace, especially after having been in a steady flow or progress. It can be used both literally, such as when someone is running or walking, and metaphorically, to describe disruptions in work, thought processes, or any other activity that requires a consistent pace. Let's see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. 1. Athletics. The marathon runner lost his stride after tripping on a stone, which cost him the lead. 2. Workplace. She lost her stride in the project after the team's priorities shifted unexpectedly. 3. Daily life. He was doing well with his New Year's resolutions until March, when he lost his stride and stopped going to the gym. These examples illustrate how losing one's stride can significantly impact various aspects of life, emphasizing the importance of maintaining consistency. When using this phrase, it's essential to contextually hint at the disruption or change in pace. It's a versatile expression that can fit into casual chats as well as more formal discussions. For instance, casually, I've totally lost my stride with my reading habit this month. Formally, the team lost their stride due to unforeseen complications, leading to a delay in the project's timeline. After understanding what it means to lose one's stride, it's also helpful to know how to talk about regaining it. Phrases like, get back into stride, find one's stride again, or regain one's stride, are optimistic ways to discuss overcoming setbacks. Losing one's stride is a powerful expression that captures the challenges of maintaining momentum in the face of obstacles. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, usage, and how it reflects the resilience required to bounce back. Remember, it's not about never losing your stride but knowing how to find it again. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. See you next time.